Sound check 1 2. Sound check 1 2. Test mic 1 2. Test mic 1 2. 1 2 3 4.
This is the coolest in-ear earphone that I have seen in Shopee. And it has a 4.7 star rating. So I think this is a very good choice, or it's easy, or I can buy this one without any problem or without any issues. And as you can see, yeah, it has a detachable microphone. And I gotta have one of these because most of the time I am on the road. I travel a lot, okay, from my work to my home only. But this, I don't need to carry a huge over-the-ear earphone or a headset, okay, and this will fit very snugly in my bag. As you can see, the packaging is very minimal, and this foam is the only protection this unit has, and there's nothing more inside. Okay, so see, and here is the unit. It is in a ziplock, a small ziplock plastic with an extra earbud to fit the size of your ear. And this is the detachable microphone. Okay, and it's a nice quality, I should say. And this is the earphone itself. And the cable, yeah, it's okay. It looks good. Okay, yeah, the cable is long. It's okay. Right, there you go. It's a tangle-free cable. Okay, and this is the earbuds itself. The design looks good, I should say. I like it. And this is where you plug in the detachable microphone. There you go. That is how you do it. Yeah, it looks really nice. Okay, so we decided to measure the cable, or the length of the cable of this device, from the base or the plug going to there you go, going to the controller board, or the controller part area with the volume slider. So it's roughly around 89 to 93 centimeter, or 35 to 36 inches. Okay, now from the controller itself, or to the earbuds, so that's roughly around 128 or 129, 130 centimeter, or 51 inches. There you go. Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. You see this one? Okay, so actually I'm not recording the audio using this one because unfortunately, okay, this one is already broken. I bought this a couple of days ago, or a few weeks ago, when I ordered this from Shopee. Okay, so I find it very interesting. It looks very cool to see a headset or an earphone with a detachable microphone. Okay, so as you can see, there is a small hole here, and the mic is detachable, and it is very small. It has a very small diameter plug, which is not the same size of the regular plug that you use on your mobile phone. So I saw this on Shopee, and I was interested in buying one because I am doing an online class, and I'm traveling a few kilometers, and my work is a few kilometers from my home, and I have to haul a lot of things. For one, since we are staying here in our hotel, or where I work, I need to bring a couple of clothing, food, and also my computer, my laptop, to do my to do an online class. Now, and I don't know. Before I was hauling along with me my wife's headphone. It's a big one with the mic protruding on the side. So, and it's quite difficult for me to bring it in my bag. So I saw this. This is a very small piece of device or gadget that I find it really very interesting. And there are recommendations coming from the website itself that it says that it has a noise cancellation and the mic is really good. Well, I'll be honest, and to be fair with this brand or with this device, when we first unboxed it, so we got it, we unboxed it, and we tested it on my mobile phone and also on my computer, and it works really good. The sound is good, the audio is good, and it has noise cancellation, as I can tell. But the thing is, when I use it in my online class, which is the main reason why I got this device, at one point or in the middle of my class, one of my students says, "Sir, your audio is really bad." What do you mean really bad? As if that you are crumbling newspaper near the microphone or near the computer. And I said, okay. So I tried double checking the settings. I restart the computer and still the same. And it only stops, or the noise only stops, when I change to my regular AKG headset. And the class just go on smoothly. And it's like, okay, so what happened? I tested the unit a few days ago, or right after I received it. I was able to use it for a couple of minutes for my online class, which is the main purpose why I bought it. And then, poof, it's already gone. I mean, it's not working anymore. I tried testing it again on my mobile phone. The microphone is not being detected. Now, the thing here, and actually when I was thinking of making a video for this one, I am surprised to know that it comes with two microphones. The one is the detachable one. The first one is the detachable one, where you can easily detach. Just in case you forgot or you lost the detachable microphone, it also comes in with the regular microphone that is included in the controller. The controller has a sliding volume. It has a volume up, volume down, and also a play and pause button, which works on some of the mobile phones, mostly Android phones. Okay, the sound is okay. The earphone still works fine. The audio is good, but my problem is the microphone. Now, for some reason, I'm not quite sure if it is because maybe it's simply because it is very flexible. I'm not quite sure if it's the microphone or the wire inside got dislodged or got disconnected or something. I have no idea. But for now, I can only use the earphone. Okay, the microphone, it is not working. If I try to connect this on my laptop, I hear a very noisy static. Okay, but when I use it on my mobile phone, everything's okay. I'm not quite sure if this is just me or this item that I got from Shopee. Okay, if you have any comments or if you have any same experience as mine, I will show the brand or where I got it. Okay, so actually the design itself is very good. For me, I love it. I'm not a fan of red devices. Most of my devices are black, and I just got it because it looks cool. Okay, but unfortunately, I was only able to use it for only a couple of minutes. Then the microphone is not working. Unfortunately, I don't have a tester right now with me, so I can check if there's a problem with the microphone here, but the thing is, the built-in microphone here should be detected by my mobile phone and also my computer. I have no idea, but I'm going to check. Perhaps on the next video or my future video, I am going to try and replace the wire with a better one, and hopefully it will work. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you all in my next video.